Good morning, everybody. Surprise, I'm on live. I'm trying this out for the first time. So I was invited to demonstrate in a Stampin' Up! Facebook group that I belong to tomorrow, and I thought it would be a good idea if I tried it out, at least practiced one time while I have the chance and before I do it for a whole group of people. So you guys are the guinea pigs. So I want to work out any kinks that I run into. And if you are watching, can you please comment and let me know if everything looks okay. So I'm just going to set up my desktop so I can see any comments. Just a second. Like I said, this is the first time. I don't know what I'm doing. Here we go. Okay. All right. Hi, Kathy. Thanks for joining in. I didn't expect to see you. I thought you were supposed to be working. All right. Here we go. All right. So this is totally off the cuff. I am doing this without any script. I'm just kind of going off the cuff. Okay, so since there are still a lot of new stampers in my group, I thought I would show you how to assemble the Stampin' Up! Red cling stamps today. So I'm going to take my camera and I'm going to switch it around. Close your eyes because it's going to be kind of jumpy and I don't want to make you sick. Okay, just a second. All right, just taking it and I'm going to mount it into my camera holder. Here we go. Let's make sure it doesn't drop. That would be bad if it just dropped onto my desk. Is that okay? All right. Let me see now. Okay, it looks like there's a delay from displaying on my screen, but here we go. All right, so here's the red cling stamp. So this is what the stamp looks like when you're using it, okay? And there's a sticker on one side that shows you what the image is, and there's the stamp on the other side. And this is how it mounts, so that when you're stamping, you can see where the image is and where you're going to stamp. But when you first get these, they arrive in the set like this. Okay, so here's your stickers that go onto the actual stamp themselves. They're here. Okay, but when they arrive, they're like this. So when the first time I got it, I was like, I don't know what to do with this. And I know that a lot of people look at the instructions here and it seems a little bit confusing. So this is the way that Stampin' Up! Tells you to do it. So what they tell you to do is they tell you to take the red cling part out of the mold, and you take off the backing here, which there's sticky stuff underneath, the adhesive, and then you take off the backing here, and then you go like this, and you stick it on, and then you have your assembled stamp. But I found that doing it this way, I had to really, really work hard to try and figure out if my stamp was in the right spot, and sometimes I would end up with the sticker kind of not quite in the right place. So it's hard to use the sticker, you know, as the guide when I was stamping. So I found a YouTube video where somebody did it in a different way, and I thought that was a really good idea, so I thought I'd share it with you guys today. So here's my cling stamp. This is the one that says, let me just figure out which one this is. Much Gratitude. Okay, so this is the Much Gratitude stamp. And this is the Much Gratitude sticker right here. So what this other person did, and I'm sorry I don't remember her name, she folded up the edges here first. So each sticker has like, there's a little fold line. Sorry, not a fold line. There's like a cut in the backing. So then you can peel it up, right? So I'm just going to peel up the two corners here. Okay. All right. So then this is the right size block. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sticker off, the whole sticker. You got to get the whole sticker off. Hi, Sandra. Yes, this is my first live video. You guys are guinea pigs and you can tell me if I'm totally screwing it up or whatever. Anyways, so yeah, I'm just demonstrating how to put the cling stamps together in a different way that Stampin' Up! Has recommended, because I found this was actually, it worked better for lining things up. So I took the sticker off and I made sure I got all of it off. Oops. Not just the backing. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it on the clear block. Like that. Okay. So now I'm going to take the backing off of this, the stamp, the red cling stamp. And I'm going to take the backing off of the sticker. Okay, so now you're going to see the sticker right through, right? And I'm going to line it up this way. So now I can actually see the edges of my sticker, and I can see the backing of the cling stamp and line it up perfectly and stick it on. And that way I don't have a misalignment, and now it's perfectly aligned. So now it's ready to use. Sorry, my head was in the way. I just realized that. But you can align it, and now it's like perfectly lined up. Okay, so I'll take that off and it's ready to use. So I'm going to just put it back here until I'm ready to use it. And I think I'll just try to do that one more time where my head's not in the way. So I'll try one more stamp. Let's see. Here is the, which one is this? I'm going to take this small one here. It is the From Our Family stamp. Okay, so again, I'm just going to peel up the corners of the backing. No, you didn't miss an announcement, Sandra. I just decided to do this as practice because I'm supposed to do a demonstration tomorrow for another Facebook group, like my Stampin' Up! Team. And I've never done one, so I thought I should try this out at least once. And so you guys are the guinea pigs. Okay, so I peeled up that. I'm going to find a smaller block. Let me just see. So here's a smaller block. Okay, pick that up. I think this is the right way up. Okay. So I'm just going to put that on the back of the block. All right. There it is on the back of the block. Now I gotta find the matching stamp. This is it, right? From Our Family. Okay, looks like the right one. Put this aside. So let's do this again. Hopefully my head won't be in the way this time, and you can see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna peel up the back of this, the packing off of this, and then take the backing off of the sticker. And now I'm going to line it up and hopefully not stick my head in the way so you can actually see what I'm doing. Okay, so there. Okay, I had to stick my head in the way for just a second, but just to make sure it's... Alright, I think that's lined up, and I'm just going to put it right down. And now my sticker is perfectly aligned on my stamp, and that makes me happy. Because when I'm stamping, I'm using this to guide me as to where the stamp is going to stamp. So now I'm happy. So that's it. Yeah. So that was this is just a practice run, and I realized that there's a slight delay on the video, so I'm seeing like the video from a few seconds ago on my screen, so that's good to know. But I can see your comments, and that's good. So anyways, I'm gonna switch it around so I could say goodbye before I finish off. Just hang on a second, close your eyes, because it's gonna be kind of bumpy. Okay. All right, so here we are. I'm just gonna put this back. So yeah, all right. So if you noticed any problems and you have any suggestions, put it in the comment. Let me know. I can read it after it's been saved to my Facebook group, and hopefully that'll help me smooth things out for tomorrow's demonstration. So thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.